So this is how you redeem your Funko Pop NFT. Now there's two ways to do it if your NFTs are on wax, as we can see here. You can do the manual transfer, which is go to your inventory and just manually transfer it over to your .dp account. And if you have multiple NFTs, you can also go to trading and then transfer multiple NFTs the same way. As you can see here, you can select the different NFTs and you can use your .dp address to send those over. Now this process might take a few minutes before you see them in your inventory. As you can see here, I had to refresh a couple times before I saw that I had 4 redemptions. Now they're pretty easy. Click redeem. You're going to go and review the information here. Click continue. You're going to set in your address. Make sure that you have a residential address put in there. I think there might be some issues if you ever have a PO box, as they might ship by FedEx. So just put in a residential address if you can. As you can see here, you're going to confirm that it's going to cost you $0. You acknowledge it by your burning your NFTs at this point, and now you just have to wait. And as we see, we have success. What's nice is you can go to your activity tracker and you can see any of the things that you've done on the website. As you can see here on the top there, we just redeemed those 4 items. So that's basically as good as gold. As you can see there, there's a date and everything. And it's an easy way to keep track of everything. And then eventually the pops will show up in your mailbox. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, definitely leave a comment below and we'll see you next time. Take care.